Hi, and welcome to Rachel Art with Heart. Hi, hello, and welcome back to Rachel Art with Heart, where we are always creating some kind of really fun art process-based art project for kids. So make sure to subscribe and also like this video and check out my other videos because we have tons of really fun and cool art projects. Okay, you guys, today we are going to be doing an experimental art project. What's an experimental art project? You probably do experiments all the time. You probably test out things all the time. There are many times you wonder and you ask questions and then you test out something to see what happens. My buddy Ray is going to talk to us a little bit about what's an experiment and what is Miss Rachel talking about when I say we're going to do an experimental art project. Come on, let's hear what she has to say. Hi guys, it's so great to see you guys again. Okay, let's talk about an experiment. So an experiment is when you're testing an idea. So maybe you're going to ask yourself, what would happen if? Today, we're doing some experimental art, and we're going to see what would happen if we mix baking soda and vinegar together. And if we add in our art element, we're adding in oil pastels and liquid watercolors. What do you think is going to happen when we mix together baking soda and vinegar? Let's find out together. Come on. Ray, thanks so much for talking to us about what's an experiment. So you probably noticed you do experiments all the time. We're going to be mixing baking soda and vinegar today. We're also going to add in oil pastels and liquid watercolors. And I kind of wanted to see what would happen when we added all of these onto a piece of paper. So let's find out what's going to happen. All right, you guys, are you ready to do some experimental art? The first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get my oil pastels. I have these neon oil pastels over here. And if you've watched my other videos, you know what happens when we put watercolor on oil pastels. But what's gonna happen if we put watercolor mixed with baking soda on top of oil pastels? Let's see if the same thing happens. Let's experiment. Okay, so I'm just gonna kind of draw some designs over here. You can have designs like this. You can draw shapes, colors. You can really create this however you want to, however you feel. It's totally up to you. Okay. Remember, I'm using my oil pastels and I'm making sure to press down nice and strong. That way all of those colors really get on there. Like that. Again, no wrong way to create this design. It's completely up to you. All right. So now that we kind of have our design over here, I'm gonna go ahead and grab my watercolors that are already mixed. You can see they're a little bit more powdery because I put in some baking soda. So let's see if the same thing happens when I put baking soda mixed with watercolors on top of oil pastels. Wipe, 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 paint over. It's a little hard to see with the yellow, huh? If those oil pastels are popping right out from under the watercolor. Let's see if we do a different color, darker color. For here. Oh, it looks like it's still working, huh? You see how when I paint over the pink, my oil pastels are popping right out, right? The watercolor is not sticking on the oil pastels. You see that? It's not sticking on my oil pastels. So it looks like it has the same kind of effect, huh? So I'm gonna keep painting over here. You might have similar watercolors. You might have different watercolors, but I'm just gonna kind of keep painting. This one's kind of like, ooh, my, looks like my orange got a little bit, kind of a darker looking orange when I mixed in my baking soda. All right, over here, some yellow. Do you notice what happens when I put yellow next to kind of this, it's almost like kind of like a turquoisey color, huh? They start to bleed into each other right there. You see that? Kind of creates a lime kind of color. Go. Whenever I'm putting my watercolors down, I'm making sure to kind of mix. That way my baking soda is not sitting on the bottom, because sometimes that can happen. Just kind of having fun creating. Remember, this is our experimental art project, so there's really no wrong way to paint this, or to paint in general. There's no wrong way to make art, huh? Okay, now that I have this down here, I'm gonna get my vinegar, and I have my dropper, and I'm gonna carefully pinch, let go, let it kind of fill up. You see how it's filled? So it's clear, so it's hard to kind of see. But once I put this down, let's see what happens. Did you hear that? It starts to fizz. Let's do it again. Woo! Okay, let's try one more time. I'm gonna be very quiet so you can hear the fizzing. How cool is that? You hear it fizzing and bubbling? That's because when you mix vinegar with the baking soda, that's the reaction you get. Do you also notice that it's starting to pick up a lot more? I'm starting to see a lot more of those oil pastels really kind of pop out. Ready? Okay, I feel like I'm pretty happy with how this is turning out. Now, I'm gonna let it dry, because look at how wet it is. It's super wet. So I'm gonna let this sit and dry. You guys, thanks so much for doing an experimental art project with me today. We found out that when you add the baking soda mixed with the liquid watercolor and the vinegar on top, what happens? It gets fizzy, it gets bubbly, huh? Now, what happens when we put the liquid watercolor on top of the oil pastels? You guys should know this. We've done this in plenty of other videos. Yeah, it jumps right off. The watercolor doesn't stick on the oil pastels. So here's my picture, all nice and dry. Turned out pretty cool, huh? You can see how once it's dry, the different kind of areas where the baking soda really stuck to and where it started to really fizzle. You can see some of those over here, over here. You can also see my oil pastels really pop right out from my watercolors, right? Thanks so much for joining me today. Don't stop learning and don't stop creating. You can use lots of different things to do experiments with. All right, you guys, I can't wait to see you next time for our next art project. Bye!